Right now, Tucson firefighters are getting ready for wildfire season and they need your help. News 4 Tucson's Danelle Confair got an inside look at what you need to do to make sure your home doesn't become a target in what's expected to be an active fire season. It's new at 5:30.
This recliner has seen better days. You can see it on the side of the road. Now this is a perfect source to start a fire. That's why Tucson Fire says it's so important to start spring cleaning and get rid of debris or anything that could catch fire by your home.
Tucson resident Kevin McDonald has already started his spring cleaning by making sure his house doesn't become victim to a wildfire. He says part of that is trimming away dead debris from his plants.
We want to make sure that those are all trim and we don't have any excess, whether they're ours or someone else's. We want to clean it up and make sure that, we don't have, fuel for a fire.
That's key, according to Captain Andy Skaggs with Tucson Fire, who says everyone should build a proper defense around their home.
Do you have old couches on your porch? Do you have old tree trimmings that maybe haven't made it to the dump yet? Firewood that's stacked up against your house to use during those winter months? Think like a firefighter. Those are potential fuels.
Fuels that once ignited could be hard to get extinguished. Skaggs says that's what happened to one Tucson home last year that caught fire.
The house next door ended up catching fire after a string of events of that grass going.
Dead grass that he says should have been trimmed and cleaned up. That's why he says it's so important to take a look around your home and make sure there isn't anything that could fuel a fire.
Have a defensible space. Get rid of that debris.
For more information on how to recycle or dispose of bulk items, you can head to our website at KVOA.com. For News 4 Tucson, Danelle Confair.
Danelle, Tucson Fire also wants to remind residents to be mindful of red flag warnings. They say during that time, the chances of a fire can increase dramatically.